Guys, check out this cream puff, 1978 Yamaha YZ250 two-stroke. I'm leaving it off the stand right now so Tyler can show you guys a couple of the cycle parts here. I tell you guys time and time again on the classics, the fork lowers go 4 inches below the axle. This is wide open. You get smashed on a rock or what have you. I mean, that thing is virgin. Original wheel set from 1978 is perfectly straight, still present. Show them the frame rails too, Tyler. Perfectly straight frame rails. Engine cases are real nice. No issues there. No welds, cracks, or tears, and nice straight rails. And you see the paint looks basically brand new. That's because the bike was just pulled down to the frame and was completely powder coated. And check out the way that they masked the VIN. A lot of guys don't do that, and then the powder coat fills the gaps in the paint. You got to shave it back, and it looks well, jank for lack of a better term. So this is just a really nice example. And check out, show them the swing arm too. We have some great polishing methods here, and I don't even think that the team polished this. It just has like a really nice factory sheen on it. Original wheel out back as well. But guys, this was torn down to the frame and refreshed. All new chassis bearings. The hubs were restored. Brakes gone through. Suspension rebuilt, and they went ahead and put a brand new DG, full DG pipe and silencer on the bike. And did some other period modifications. Back in the day, this is the factory peg right here, and they were like very small. So what you'd see is guys would fabricate a bigger platform on there to give you more space to actually ride properly. So the top end was completely rebuilt as well. The cylinder was stripped, and then the head was repainted. You have a nice tight top end, has excellent compression, and the bike came to us in this form, so we tested compression, perfect compression. And tech confirmed that it's got a nice fresh top end, and the crank is perfectly tight as well, and within spec. So it runs fantastic. It starts very easily, tuned in proper, great clutch and transmission action, no clutch slipping or anything like that. It's this thing's Kaplan America certified and ready to rock and roll. But I mean, this is just a really nice piece. This might even be the original seat cover. I have to check with the team. Certainly the original tank, which is present, and you'll see these get discolored and scratched up and knee gouges and what have you. This is a really nice piece. Showing you some of the other cycle parts. A lot of times, if they're not stored properly in a climate controlled environment, you get patina on the forks and stuff like that. This is a really nice set. So once the fork tubes are patinaed up, you got to replace them. There's no going back. So all new plastics throughout. You got a new front fender, new number plate, new side panels, and a new rear fender, and some new running gear as well. Looks like a new shift lever, and the original rear brake lever is also present, as well as I believe this to be the factory Kickstarter that's been refinished, but it has great action and is not totally bagged out. Tank flushed, got some fresh VP in the fuel tank, mixed 40-1. New transmission oil intake was totally gone through. Carb was tuned in. You see some new seals in the intake tract. I mean, everything, it runs fantastic. Fires right up. This is something that, guys, this is ready. Good action from the rear shock as well. Not totally blown sky high. I mean, that's all gone through. New ODI grips. They also have some new twin walls on the bike. This is a really nice set of bars here. Twin walls are like pinnacle, so a lot stronger than a standard bar. If you go down, you're not going to have the bars all bent up. New levers as well. We're racers, guys. So when you go through a bike, we get a lot of bikes in that are restored where, the throttle's sticking or the brake action's terrible. There's no free play in the clutch or what have you. Everything's cable's power looped. Everything's adjusted properly. Everything's exactly where you'd want it to be if you're taking this to the vintage motocross track. I'm going to go over the work order just to confirm that we haven't missed anything. And guys, I can ship this bike anywhere in the country inexpensively. Message your zip code for a shipping quote. You don't see them like this very often. I mean, let's face it, they're motocross bikes. A couple of motors, a Unadilla, and the frame rails are completely flattened, and they're only original once. High level, clean service of carb, new vent hoses, new fuel line, service the petcock, rebuilt with new O-rings, 150 PSI compression, which is perfect, and zero run out on the crank. I mean, it's very tight, runs fantastic, very little vibration. Exactly what you'd expect from a fresh piece. clean service to airbox. And we also rebuilt the forks in-house here. We do some new seals and dust covers and new fork oil. Brand new BR9 ES spark plug, new transmission oil as mentioned, new ODI lock-on grips, and a complete check over, as well as a detail shop. Put the tune on it so that when you're rolling up to the starting gate, you're styling. But this is a bike that you could leave on display in your personal collection or take to the vintage racing, and it's capable of placing up top with the right rider on it without a doubt. If you have any questions, reach us on the shop line 860-454-7024. Again, we'll ship it right to your door. Call in for a quote. We'll give you our best price. Thank you for watching, and God bless America.